Para makakuha tayo ng schedule of appointment sa PSA branch, open lang natin yung ating browser, then i-type natin psa.gov.ph. Hanapin natin yung civil registration, then hanapin natin yung appointment system. Then i-click natin to, civil registration service. Then sa bandang baba, i-check natin to guys, I agree. What is the purpose of your appointment? So i-select natin to guys, get copies civil registry documents. Then click natin yung next. Then fill upan lang natin guys yung mga susunod na mga tanong. After natin ma-fill upan guys, click natin yung next. Makatanggap tayo ng OTP sa ating email address. And guys, so nandito na. Then click natin yung verify. Ang ilalagay natin dito guys, may-ari ng birth certificate na i-request natin. Then fill upan natin to guys. Select natin kung ano yung date at oras of appointment natin. Then sa bandang baba guys, click natin itong confirm. Ayan, so sabi dito appointment confirm. You have successfully booked an appointment in PSA. Ayun guys, ganun na yung pagkuha ng PSA birth certificate na mayroong QR code.